Today in this video we are going to see the Bitch reduction. We are going to see the Bitch reaction, the mechanism and examples. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till end. Let's begin. The Austrian chemist A.J. Bitch found that the benzene derivatives are reduced to non-conjugated cyclohexane-1,4-dienes. You see that benzene derivatives are reduced to non-conjugated cyclohexa-1,4-dienes. This is a benzene or benzene derivative is converted into cyclohexa-1,4. This is 1, this is 4 dienes by treatment with sodium or lithium. See, this is sodium or lithium in a mixture of liquid ammonia, and an alcohol. This is an alcohol. The Bitch reduction provides a convenient method for making a variety of interesting and useful cyclic dienes. Using this method, we can synthesize interesting dienes and cyclic dienes. The Bitch reduction involves twice adding a solvated ion electron followed by a proton to the aromatic ring. This is the mechanism. Here you see this reduction involves twice of adding solvated electron. This is a solvated electron. We are adding this twice followed by a proton. First we are adding this one, after that we are adding a proton which is added to the aromatic ring. In the preceding step, the liquid ammonia is reacting with sodium to form this solvated ion which is a deep blue solution leaving Na plus ion. In the step 1 and 2, this electron is added to this proton and this bond shifts over here and this bond shifts over here, forming this compound. Here you see the radical anion, which is, this is a radical, this is an anion, this is a radical anion is formed. After that the alcohol is added here. Here the anion abstracts this proton and this is leaving behind, forming this a radical. Here you see a radical is present and here proton is added, leaving this RO minus. In the step 3 and 4, the second electron, you see here it is adding twice. So the second time the electron is coming here and abstract and giving here. After that here a carbon, two radicals are present forming an anion, and this anion abstracts this proton leaving this OR behind and cyclohexa-1,4-diene is formed. This is a cyclohexa-1,4-diene. This is formed. This is the mechanism of Bitch reduction. Electron withdrawing group like COOH group stabilize the carbanions. Therefore, reduction takes place on carbon atom bearing electron withdrawing substituents. So, if the electron withdrawing substituents like carboxylic acid is present, the reduction takes place on that carbon atom. For example, this is a electron withdrawing substituent which is a carboxylic acid. We are reacting with sodium in liquid ammonia and we are adding alcohol. So, the reduction takes place the carbon bearing the electron withdrawing substituent. This is reduced here, this carbon is reduced. We see the mechanism of this reaction. This is the mechanism. This electron withdrawing substituent is present here. Here first we are adding the solvated electron. Here this electron is added here and this bond migrates over here and this migrates over here, forming this complex. You see here the negative charge is also formed here and here the negative charge. This bond shifts and forming this compound which is an intermediate. It is also having resonance structure. What you have to do is this bond, this O minus will shift over, this bond will shift over here, forming here a double bond. This also has other resonance forms. Next step is the abstracting of proton. This carbanion is subtracting this proton and leaving OET behind. forming this compound, which is an intermediate. This is also has some resonance forms. After this, what happens is again the sodium electron, the solvated electron is added here, forming here a carbanion, and again this carbanion abstracts this proton, leaving this behind, forming this compound. This is the cyclohexaene, which is a electron withdrawing substituent. You see here this carbon, this bond is reduced. Electron donating group destabilize the carbanion. The electron donating groups may be O, R, R group. These may be electron donating substituents which will destabilize the carbanion. Therefore, reduction takes place not on carbon atom bearing electron releasing substituents like alkyl or alkoxy groups. Here electron donating substituent is present here. This bond is not reduced. Okay, you see here the bond is not reduced. Usually for electron donating groups, lithium and strong reducing agent is used for electron donating substituent. Here this is a liquid ammonia. Here we are adding lithium and we are adding as alcohol. This is an anisole. You see this is electron donating group. This carbon atom which is bearing electron donating group is not reduced. This is the cyclohexane-4-dienes. There is one trick. If electron donating substituent is present, the electron donating will be present at sp2, which is for electron donating. For sp3, electron withdrawing group will present at the sp3 carbon. This is a simple trick. This is an electron donating group, so this group will be present at the sp2 carbon. If electron withdrawing group is present like carboxylic acid, this will be present at sp3 carbon atom. Remember this for a comparative exams. This is the mechanism for anisole. You see here this is a solvated electron. This goes here and this bond migrates over here and this bond migrates over here, forming a negative charge here. This also has some resonance forms. After this electron abstracts this proton, leaving this behind. A proton is added here. Again second time the solvated electron will add here. The radical will be here, the electron will be added and that anion will be generated. This also has some resonance forms. This anion will abstract this proton, leaving this behind, forming a cyclohexane-4-diene. You see this is an electron donating group which is present at the sp2 carbon atom. Bridge reduction of enones. Enone means here a double bond which is ene and ketone one. This is a enone, will provide a number of useful and synthetic applications. See, these are some of the applications of bridge reduction of enone. Here in presence of lithium ammonia and alcohol is also there, this bond will shift over here and this will go as a negative charge. This is a resonance form of this one. If we add RX, alkyl halide, here the R group may be present, is substituted here, forming an interesting complications. If CnBr is added, the R may be a Cn, here Cn is added. With a weaker organic acid which is used in workup, the enol ether, this is a enol ether, see, can be selectively converted into the ketone. This is a ketone without conjugation of the resulting enone. Here the no conjugation is present of this enone. Here this is double bond, here is double bond O. This is enone. Here no conjugation is present. The first step, you see this is lithium in presence of liquid ammonia. This is Biss reduction. The first step, this is the electron donating group. If the electron donating group is present, the double bond will be at sp2 carbon atom. This is the product of the first one. After that, this bond migrates over here, forming double bond here, and this Me will go. So this product is obtained. So this enol ether can be selectively converted to this ketone without a conjugation. This is ene and this is ene and this is one. This enone. This is taken from tetrahedron letters. You see, this is a question given. This is a compound. We are given with reagent liquid ammonia, and here you see alcohol is present. Lithium in liquid ammonia in presence of alcohol. This is Birch reduction. Birch reduction. You see, this is the electron donating group. If electron donating group is present, the sp2 carbon, it will be adding sp2 carbon. So you see here, this bond is sp2 and electron donating group is present. After that, we are adding MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid. Here this epoxide will form. If we add MCPBA, this ene will convert into epoxide. Thus this is the product. This is in option number C. You see here, the question asked is the major product of the following reaction is. This is a starting material given, the sodium in liquid ammonia in presence of ethanol. What is the product? You see, this is electron withdrawing substituent. The electron withdrawing substituent should be at sp3 carbon. So if you see here, this is at sp3 and this is also at sp3. So option C and D is wrong because these two are at sp2 carbon and these two are at sp3. So this answer is between A and B. You see here, the reduction occurs at ipso position and alkynes get converted into alkenes in the trans geometry. If we use the Birch reduction, the alkynes are converted into alkenes in the trans geometry. So this is cis and this is trans. So the option is A. You see, this is another example which is taken from JAX. This is a starting material. We are reacting with potassium in presence of liquid ammonia. There is an alcohol, tertiary butanol, the THP, which is a solvent. So this is the Birch reduction. This is the electron withdrawing substituent. This group is electron withdrawing. So this will present at sp3 carbon atom. If the electron withdrawing is present, it will come under sp3. So the bond will be at sp3 carbon. In the second one, they have added ethyl iodide. So it's just a simple substitution reaction. See here, the ethyl group is added here. It's just a substitution. So you have to remember that if the electron withdrawing is present, the group is added in the sp3 carbon. The other things are at the same positions. The only change is here. See, this is another example which is taken from JAX. This is a starting material. They have added the lithium in liquid ammonia. So you see here, this is electron donating group. This is also electron donating group. sorry, this is electron withdrawing, this is electron donating. So if we know that sp2 is for electron donating group, sp3 is for electron withdrawing group, this electron withdrawing group will be at sp3 position, this is sp3, and this is electron donating and this is also electron donating, so it will be present at sp2, this is also sp2 and this is also sp2. Next step, this is a simple substitution reaction. Substitution. Here the methyl group is added here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned until the next video. Have a good day. Like, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get notified.